Halo na kurding, happy birthday. Sana malipayon ka nga da, ngan kaon gud hindamo kay para ka tumambok, at least kung bumalik ka nga di, damot mapausa nga tumambok ka na. Enjoy hit imo birthday. Ngan sana umabot ka pa hin 150 years old. Ampula kita nga waray sakit.
Good.
Hello, manakording. Birthday manday ni mo karon, Enero 13. Kunya happy birthday. Hinao, tagaan pa ka ni Lord. O taas nga Panginoon. God bless you.
Hi, happy birthday. Hope you have many more. Enjoying the warm weather over there, I see. But eventually it warms up in Canada, sometime in, I think, May or June. Well, best wishes to you. Enjoy your birthday cake. Bye-bye.
Nakording, happy birthday.
Ayan, may sige.
Inaot ta nga mao pa iti mo pandawas nga tagang kang Ginoo nen usa ka katos ka tuig. Ngan magdamot ima po. 50 ka po. Salamat and happy birthday. Nakording.
Hello Nai, happy birthday. I'm always praying that infinite blessings pour into your life today and every day. Hope all your birthday wishes came true and wishing you always in good health and happiness. Enjoy your day Nai, happy birthday.
Hello, Nay. Happy birthday.
Hello, Nan. Happy birthday.
Kan istorya naman. Istorya lang. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Istorya naman. Birthday, Nay. No words can express how grateful we are for having you. Happy birthday to you. Although Nay, masabak ka Nay.
Hello, Nay. Happy birthday. Sana, Nay, bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay. At maraming birthday pang darating sa iyo. Nay, enjoy your birthday. I love you. Miss you.
Hello, Nay. Happy birthday, Nay. Thank you for the best nanay sa amon na imong mga apo. Pati nagyaw sa imong mga apo sa tuod. Salamat sa nimong mga suporta, Nay, na ginatag sa amon. God give you more blessings in life, Nay. Wish you a happy birthday, Nay. Love you.
All best wishes from our family and prayer for Tia Ivy healing. Sana gumaling na po si Tia.
Happy birthday, Nanay.
I love you. Ingat always.
Always.
Hello, Nanay. Happy birthday. I miss you. I love you. Mag-ingat ka muna palagi. Hello, Nanay. Happy birthday. I miss you. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Kanta na. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Nanay. Kanta na.
Happy birthday, sana ikaw uli. Hingaw na liblib. Love you, Nanay Kulding.
Birthday, Nanay.
No?
Happy birthday, Nay.
Mingo na si Emo. Dara ka magbulaya. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Birthday to you. Magdala ka, sinmula.
Hello, Nanay. Kamusta? Happy birthday, Nay. Amping Permi. We love you.
Hi Nanay, happy birthday. More birthday to come and good health. Yung tagaan ka pa untasin mo pa nga panlawas. Gan unta puhon magkaupod-upod kita nga tanan. Love you. Happy birthday.
Hello, Yaya Cording. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Keep warm. Take care and God bless.
Hi, Nay. Happy 75 birthday, Nay. Wish ko, Nay, nadamo pa na birthday na maabot sa imo, nan ipahirayo kasan nga tanan ng mga sakit. Mag-enjoy ka lang, Nay. Mag-iingat ka lagi. Again, happy birthday.